All right, everyone. I really, really need to bring this one back again because it's really important one. And this is about streets and wheelchairs and wheelchair users. So I there's just a lot of stuff to read about, what works and what doesn't work. And, wheelchair users are more likely to suffer injuries than pedestrians. So that is something that is really important for us to think about that. Unfortunately, when the victim in wheelchair bound and he or she is more likely to suffer devasted, injuries or death or results, is just bad. A new study confirms that wheelchair users are, in fact, more likely to be killed or in traffic accidents in other pedestrians. So that is just something for us to really to work on, to think about it. In I don't even know what to say about this, but it just gets really on me, on me. So I really want us to think about it more as we are. If you have to go out and you're using to a street, to a walkway where you're going, it's just really important on what you are doing, and I have I have a lot of to say about this. But let me get to the section that is corrected. Let me see here. Let me get to the bottom. Okay. Let's see here. No, not yet. Not yet. Not yet. What did I do? My section. All right, it's not there. Hold on. Let me open it. Here we go. Okay. We're in the correct section. All right. That's all about street smart for us. How I stay safe as a wheelchair user. So, how I stay safe. So, it's just really important for all of us to work on this, because we all have different streets, we have different sidewalks, we have different, from trains and buses and everything else that we're trying to get through. Build awareness of yourself, of what's going on. And you gotta work on those sections. Is you if you as a wheelchair straight safety isn't optional. It's not optional here for all of us, for you too. it's it's for survival. It's survival all the time. Let's talk about what really works, or what should try to work and see if it'll work for you and for me. 5 street safety habits you can teach. So let's see how it goes. positioning at work, crosswalks, sorry. I'm still a little stuck in my brain. Stay visible. So that's really important. A lot of people use black. I don't understand it. And a lot of cars are black, so they can't see you. And of course, they don't see you up there. So then what? So try white, yellow, light green. If you want to use like a jacket, that's one of those that can use on the kids that are on the streets, and they have a jacket. The guys have jackets to make sure that the kids are crossing the street. So maybe that will help you. Don't sit too far back from where the cars can't see you. So, or with your wheelchair, make sure when you're going through, keep yourself with a space. Keep yourself a space with the cars. Make eye contact with drivers. So make sure that they know. Some of us are very small. We're small. So I use yellow. My brother got some jacket, so I have yellow. So I'll put it on. If I have the one that goes just the band or the jacket. So one of the two. All right. Make eye contact. Sorry. And then avoid being in a blind spot for the people. So sometimes you can go to your you can demonstrate with your camera, in your own house with you can go in there and check how they do it. For in your own home to set up with your this, or with your phone, you can check there about home or cars that go through, and you can see what are blind spots, and for you to be careful with those blind spots for the cars, and to learn what that is. Protecting you or your space in crowds. So when you might be the sidewalk, you might be in a very busy place, but keep hands ready on wheels. Or if you have a power wheelchair, to make sure how you're going in, or you're going out, or you're going crossing. So, that's also a need. Don't let people lean you on your chair. I hate that, especially when you're out already in the streets. For people who just want to hold on or whatever. No. So just let them know. Please don't. Please. You know, speak up clearly. Please don't push me without your content. If they give you, you know. So this ties beautifully if your previous content about protecting your space, but you gotta be careful, you know, please don't push people. And just let them know, hey, please don't. So, whatever they're doing. Watching the ground, so you gotta make sure, because sometimes there are cracks, uneven sidewalks, slopes, and wet surfaces, and holes, big holes. So you gotta be careful, really, because sometimes sidewalks just go crazy and break out. So you gotta be careful. So cracks, uneven sidewalks, slopes, and wet surfaces, or they're completely gone. So be careful. My eyes are constantly scanning. Yes, all the time. Not because I'm scared, but because I'm smart and I'm trying to make sure what's going on next. What's going on next? Night safety basics. If you're one of those people who go on, you know, and you're out there in the night and you're just fine, wear reflective gear, add lights to chairs, so you can do that too. I might be able to give you a little ideas. Bright clothing, just get a rip, you know, put white, yellow, light green, light something. Stop with the black clothes. Stop that. Because that's going to that's going to help you. All right, so I'm going to give you some ideas here. Let me pull it out here. I'm going to show you. Okay. I'm going to turn around now. All right, from right here, you're going to see some ideas from Amazon that'll give you some ideas of things you can put on your wheelchair. There are all kinds of ideas. So I'm hoping you can see it. And this is really helpful for all of us, have different types. And I love this kind for the power wheelchair users. And they're you know, all sections. You can get some. Because it's not that expensive to get, but it's worth it. Okay, I'm going to turn you around. Okay. Okay, I think you're back. I think I'm back. So, you know, that's what I'm talking about. To do those ideas and they help. So they do help. Trusting your instinct. Trusting your instinct. So if a street feels unsafe, leave. Go somewhere else or go with others with you. If someone invades your space, address it. Address it. Address it. If something feels off, it probably is. That it's not going to be work for you. This becomes your emotional anchor. So you really got to check these little ideas for you. Engagement. So let's think about ideas that you can think for yourself and for us. What's one street safely habits you're learning the hard way? What's one street safety habit you're learning the hard way? So this is important to think about it for yourself. Being in a wheelchair doesn't make us weak, okay? Being as a wheelchair doesn't make us weaker. It makes us aware, and awareness and power, okay? So we need different days, the different things that we can do for each other to be, for the cars, even for the cars, for us to be, safe, and for us to them safe, and for us to let them what's going on. So let's keep that for always. Being in a wheelchair doesn't make us weak. We need all different kinds of days we can do it, all different ideas we can have. So it makes us aware, and awareness and power. So let's look at this street smart, and I want everyone to look at this for your wheelchair, and your wheelchair travels. So let's be careful, okay? So I'm going to talk about this all the time. All the time. All right. Take care, everyone. Bye.